to SQL 06. Today we are going to see on what is primary key and unique key and difference between both of them and foreign key. First we see that primary key. Primary key it is we can define it the columns, and it is each of the data it will be uniquely identifies, okay, and it is enforces integrity constraints. That is, with help of the primary key we can refer to some other columns in some other tables, okay, and there only one primary key it should be present in one table and does not accept the null values, and also the duplicate all values also not accepted, okay, and I already said that it can be referenced by the foreign key of the another tables. Next it is unique key. Unique key it is this is same like a primary key, that is it is also uniquely identified, but only one thing here it accepting the null values, and also that more than one unique key is presented in the one table. Okay, how the primary key it is a reference to the some other tables, like that here this unique key also we can refer the foreign key in the another tables. Okay, now see the difference the both of them. Okay, before that just I'm giving that one example. Students roll number, name, batch and citizen. When we see the students records, the students should have the roll numbers, okay, but when we see the citizen, okay, the students maybe come from that some other country also they are coming, they having that our citizen ID or not, also it may be it present, okay, so that's the reason the unique this citizen ID is act like a unique key, and this roll number it is act like a here primary key here. Now we see that difference both of them, we already see these difference and all, just go through this. Only one here added it is, that is primary key it is a non cluster index creator, okay, and unique key it is a non cluster index. That is, what is the cluster and a non cluster index means? Cluster index nothing but it will generate that one sequence number it will be generated, but when we see that non cluster index it will not generate the sequence number, the order may be changed in that unique keys. Now see here, this will be shows like the cluster index, and this is a non-cluster index. When you are seeing only the order it may be in the form of that sequence number, but here the order it is changed, so this is a non-sequence number, so this is called as non-cluster index, okay. Now syntax, in primary key and unique key both are defined in the three levels, column level and table level and alter level. I write this syntax in the description, please check it and know that what is how we can define in while creating the tables, okay. Next what is a foreign key? Foreign key it is referenced from that parent table, that is parent table of the primary keys, okay, but it allows the null values, okay, and also that the foreign key always attached in the child table only. We can define that foreign key in the two levels, that is alter and table level. In two levels we can mention it, okay. So this is a syntax to write the foreign keys here, okay. In the two levels we can write it. Please do subscribe for that more updates on that SQL